And welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who is enthusiastic about makeup and positivity, and when I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. In today's video, if you haven't already guessed, it is Halloween themed, because guess what? Halloween is this week, so I thought I'd kind of throw in a Halloween look. I'm not great with special effects stuff, so I figured I would just try something. I did not buy this cape before this video. It was something I had from a Halloween party a few years ago, and it was a lot of money, and I wore it once, so I'm like, I'm gonna wear it again. Although it kind of looks a little ratty. But for this look, what I used, well, what inspired me was I showed this in one of my older haul videos, the Revolution Makeup Beautiful Darkness palette, and I was kind of like inspired to think, what would this woman look like if you could see her face? And this is kind of what I figured she looked like. Kind of a demon, maybe a vamp. You're not really sure what she is. She's definitely probably dead, but you know. So that's what that's the look I kind of went with this. That's the theme I went with for this look, was to try and, you know, look like maybe like a demon, vampire, which I'm not even sure. Just, she's totally creepy and totally awesome. And I didn't have like the cool crown, but I had the cloak. So this is my look here. It's nothing like spectacular, but it is kind of a little creepy for me. What I used was the Beautiful Darkness palette right here. It retails for $15. You can get it on Ulta's website. I don't know if you still can, but that's where I got it from. And it's really cool because, well, if you can tell that I used it, it's got some very like muted colors, and they're definitely geared towards Halloween. So it was a lot of fun, you know, to buy it and then to use. So before I keep rambling on like about nothing, let's just get into how I created this look. Okay, so the first step that I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this color Demon right here. I'm just going to go in with a really fluffy brush right here. I'm going to apply that to my crease and socket area. Like all over. And it doesn't have to be super neat because we can clean it up later. That's kind of like my thing. Like, I'm not like the neatest person when I'm applying makeup, but I managed to clean it up pretty good. So you wouldn't know. This is a really, there's a lot of color payoff in here. This is amazing. And I'm just gonna kind of run it back and forth until there's really no color left on it. And I just want to take a blending brush and just kind of smooth it out a little bit. Then I just do, now I'm just going to go into the color Spirit right here on just a little pencil brush, and I'm going to apply it to my brow line. There is a little bit of kick up with the color Demon, but it's not like disgusting. I've had more kick up in actually more expensive palettes, so it is what it is. Like, I know some kick up kind of bothers some people a lot. It doesn't bother me too much. I mean, I understand that the more kick up you have, the more products that's going to get used faster, but it is what it is. If the eyeshadow's good, you know, I'm really not that picky, let's be honest. I'm not that picky. If something has a lot of kick up but it doesn't suck, I'm not going to be furious. If it has a lot of kick up and it's incredibly patchy and hard to build, then I'm going to be mad. But if I can work with it, I'm also mad. Okay, anyway, now I'm just going to take a black liner. This one just happens to be Tarte's Sex Kitten one, and I got it because it has a cat on it, and I love cats, and you can hear the bell of my cat in the background now. I actually got it for free. Ulta was doing some kind of like sale, and I don't know what it was, but you got this for free. And it's actually, Tarte actually has very smooth liners, I do have to say. And I'm just going to take this liner and I'm going to go all over my mobile lid with it. Actually a little bit harder to do one-handed than I thought it was going to be, but So it's just gonna kind of look a little ugly while I'm doing it, but that's okay. It'll all come together. I put the cap over here. I'm just going to take a flat shadow brush and I'm going to go into the color Tainted right here, which is a black. And I'm going to go over and I'm going to smoke out and blend out the liner a little bit. And then I'm just going to go back in with the color Demon on that original fluffy brush I had and just kind of blend them together a little bit more. Plus I really want the red to be more of the showcase on the top of my eye and the black to be more just on the mobile lid. But they do give it like a really kind of ghoulishy effect when they're like smeared together, so like that. So off camera, all I did was I applied a foundation that's actually slightly lighter than my skin tone, believe it or not. And I used Makeup Revolution's Luxury Baking Cup powder in the color Ghost to set it, which makes it like makes me look extra pale. And then I actually just used, for kind of like a contour slash blush, because, you know, I don't think a dead demon or whatever I'm going to be has rosy cheeks. I used a combination of White 106 and White 107 from the Sleeping Beauty palette. So I'm gonna try and give myself like a ghoulishy look. Again, like I'm not special effects, so you know, but I'm just going to go into this color Apparition and Possessed right here. I'm gonna mix them together and I'm going to apply them around my eye. You know, just to kind of give me more like deadishy, hollowed out look. And I just applied black eyeliner to my waterline. And I put false lashes on, so my like one eye is like really kind of a little irritated because, you know me and false lashes. But because like there's so much black on here, like I wanted to at least like, you can see my lashes a little bit. So I'm kind of sad that it's appearing a little bit on the other side, but it's alright. So just kind of like that. You know, I'm not an amazing like artist, so it's not going to be like a fantastic thing. But then just to have a little fun. So I realized when I was doing the video, I totally forgot to, I had put that black eyeshadow under my waterline on my one eye, and I totally forgot to do it in the video. So when you're doing the look, just put on like a thin little round pencil, just go through under your waterline and just put a little black and then kind of smoke it out a little bit, and it gives it more of like a dark effect. I just wanted to pop in and say that. Fun. I'm going to take this small pencil brush here and I'm going to spray a little bit just to give it a tiny bit of dampness. And I'm going to go into the color Dead Rose right here, and I'm going to kind of give myself like, I don't know, like red tears. This is me like really trying to like make something look good for Halloween, because I'm not like, I envy, there's so many people who can do so many awesome looks and I just can't. And I'm literally just gonna take it and just kind of, it doesn't even have to be like crazy neat because it's supposed to be like blood, you know, like tears, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Now Elizabeth, and again, kind of just where that. And I don't know if I'm gonna make them match because, like, you know, tears normally like don't match down your face, so I have like a little bit. Like that. And then I did actually forget to stick mascara on my lower lash line. I had done that before I had put the tears on before, but that's alright. It's not really gonna make that much of a difference. So this is my whole like ghoulish lady done. I just put on some like really dark lipstick and just apply my lashes, and then it looks like this. And this cape I did not buy for this video. I had this from like a party that I had gone to. It's like really crappy. A few years ago, and I wore it once, and I'm like, I'm just gonna put it on because it totally kind of is creepy. Yeah. So anyway, if you guys like this video, please feel free to give it a like, subscribe if you really enjoyed it. If you didn't and you just were passing through, that's great. Hope you have a fantastic day, and I will send you positive vibes. Also, everything that I used on my face, well, and all, you know, the palette and everything will be listed below in case you are interested, along with my Instagram and Twitter handles. If you want to follow me there, you can. I post like daily stuff kind of there of my makeup looks and animals and, well, my cat Layla and the dogs, and that's about it. So, yeah. And from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. And remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye.